AB-730 certification. More free questions at dotCreds.com. Question 1. What is the recommended method to save a prompt for future use in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat? A. Scheduling the prompt via calendar integration. B. Creating a new notebook entry with the prompt details. C. Using the Save Prompt feature within the chat interface. D. Sharing the prompt through email to yourself. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is C. Using the Save Prompt feature within the chat interface. Using the Save Prompt feature within the chat interface allows you to save prompts directly, making them easily accessible for future use without additional effort. Why this matters? Using the correct feature ensures efficient management of AI interactions and saves time by avoiding manual workarounds. Question 2. Which Copilot and Excel capability helps users uncover insights about spreadsheet data? A. Chat. B. Copilot Pages. C. Agent Store. D. Copilot Memory. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Chat. Microsoft says Copilot in Excel helps users get suggestions for formulas, chart types, and insights, which are the analysis activities described in the question. That makes the in-app chat experience the relevant capability here. Why this matters? Business workflows often start with analysis in Excel before the results move into documents, presentations, or email. Question 3. Which of the following best describes how Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat maintains organizational information privacy and security? A. It processes user interactions outside the Microsoft 365 service boundary. B. It does not rely on organizational content like files, emails, or chats. C. It processes prompts and responses within the Microsoft 365 service boundary. D. It operates independently of enterprise data protection measures. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is C. It processes prompts and responses within the Microsoft 365 service boundary. It accurately describes how Copilot Chat processes prompts and responses within the Microsoft 365 service boundary to maintain privacy and security. Why this matters? Understanding how Copilot Chat maintains organizational information privacy and security ensures compliance with data protection regulations. Question 4. In Microsoft 365 Copilot, which feature allows you to provide an agent with specific information about a user's new team during onboarding? A. Agent Builder Templates. B. Sharing Settings. C. Agent Instructions. D. Knowledge Sources. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is D. Knowledge Sources. Information about a user's new team is factual onboarding content, so it belongs in the knowledge sources the agent can reference. That makes knowledge sources the right place to provide this team-specific information. Why this matters? Onboarding agents need both the right facts and the right behavior, and knowledge sources are how you supply the facts. Question 5. Where does Microsoft say Copilot memories are stored? A. In the user's Exchange mailbox in a hidden folder. B. In a public Bing profile. C. Only in the local browser cache. D. In a shared tenant notebook. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. In the user's Exchange mailbox in a hidden folder. Microsoft states that memories are stored in the user's mailbox in a hidden, non-IPM subtree folder rather than in a public profile or browser cache. That storage model is the specific detail being tested here. Why this matters? Business users and administrators often ask where personalized Copilot context lives and whether it stays within enterprise storage boundaries. Question 6. In a company using Microsoft 365 Copilot for managing sensitive documents and emails, which feature ensures that the AI respects organizational privacy and security policies? A. Grounding in organizational content like files, emails, or chats. B. Processing prompts and responses outside the Microsoft 365 service boundary. C. Using third-party services for data processing. D. Leveraging public web data as primary context. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. grounding in organizational content like files, emails, or chats. It ensures that Copilot uses internal data to respect organizational privacy and security policies. Why this matters? Adhering to organizational privacy and security policies protects sensitive enterprise data from breaches and misuse. Question 7. In Microsoft 365 Copilot, which feature allows you to specify content from SharePoint as a dedicated knowledge source for an agent? A. Agent instructions. B. Template builder. C. Knowledge sources. D. Capability configuration. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is C. Knowledge sources. It allows you to specify dedicated knowledge sources, including content from SharePoint, for enhancing the AI agent's performance. Why this matters? Understanding how to configure knowledge sources ensures that your AI agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot can access relevant organizational data, improving their effectiveness. Question 8. Which Copilot in Word capability can generate text in new or existing documents? A. Draft. B. Meetings. C. Pages. D. Search. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Draft. Microsoft says Draft in Word generates text in new or existing documents, which is the exact content creation behavior described here. The other choices are not Word drafting capabilities. Why this matters? AB-730 frequently distinguishes creation features from search, collaboration, and meeting-oriented features. Question 9. When a user runs Copilot Chat in Outlook, which type of work data can the experience access to help answer questions? A. Only public web pages and Bing search results. B. Emails, calendar, meetings, chats, and limited file content. C. Every file in the tenant, regardless of permissions. D. Only uploaded files and nothing else. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is B. Emails, calendar, meetings, chats, and limited file content. Microsoft says Copilot Chat in Outlook can access user data including emails, calendar, meetings, chats, and limited file content to provide relevant responses. That makes Outlook one of the supported scenarios where work content is available without manually uploading a file into standard chat. Why this matters? AB-730 expects you to distinguish the default chat experience from supported app experiences where Copilot can use more work context. Question 10. A sales team needs a Copilot agent for a common workflow and wants to avoid rebuilding something that already exists. What should they check first? A. The Microsoft 365 Copilot Agent Store. B. Browser bookmark list. C. A personal OneDrive recycle bin. D. The Windows Device Compliance Portal. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. The Microsoft 365 Copilot Agent Store. The Agent Store is where users can find available Copilot agents before deciding to build a new one. Why this matters? Checking the Agent Store first can save time and keep teams from duplicating agents that already solve the workflow. More free questions at dotCreds.com.